BBQ Rando is here tonight, and we got, look, Kingbird fireworks. And what do we got here tonight? El Tigre. 7 shots. All right, pretty cool stuff. Take a look around here. We got a performance, red, green, and white stars. Red stars and crackling. Green stars and crackling. Now, listen, cakes are awesome. Typically a 7-shot cake does not take very long. So we're gonna have a good time with this one here. I love when I could get a hold of Kingbird fireworks. They're a real awesome company and love their catalog I get free every year. So, hey, off to the Launchpad. El Tigre, here we go! Alright, we're gonna zoom into the Launchpad here. And you can see we have El Tigre. He's he's all set to go. All right, Kingbird fireworks. All right, let me get back to this one. Look at this, flipping awesome. It's a hybrid. Awesome. Totally awesome. Kingbird fireworks. El Tigre. 7 shots.